What's up, you guys?
I'm a bad bitch, fuck the bitch. Bitch gets slick, I'ma cut the bitch.
It's your girl, Kata Siobhan, and this is Kata's Queendom. Thank you so much for tuning in. How y'all been? I braided my hair just before my Tahoe trip. Be sure to check out those Instagram pics. Yeah. I was looking real cute in the sun. But thank you so much for tuning in and enjoy this video. I did medium small size knotless braids, butt length. Yeah. Took me all weekend, but I hope y'all enjoy. I know it's been a minute. A bitch been working, but kind of not for real. I don't know. We'll talk about it later. This is a hair video. If you can't see back there, I'm doing little ass knotless braids. Black, brown, and blonde. That is the visionary here. That is the goal. That's what we're trying to get to. I just started. It is, what time is it, babe?
6:03.
It's 6:03 p.m.
No, it's 4:56.
It is 4:56 p.m.
I was close.
And I'm just now starting. I could kind of see in the camera. I've been struggling and sitting here about to cry for these next few braids because I dead ass can't see. And I done changed the angle in the mirror in my body, and then it don't be the mirror no more. It be my big ass fucking shoulders. And so every time I put my arms up, I can't fucking see because my arm is right there. It just irritating, fucking pissing me off.
Upset.
I can't fucking see.
You're not supposed to say that.
One shift later.
So I've mainly pre-parted everything. I couldn't do this last section though. I'm too tired. But all in the back, you see we're parted, and we're braided up until a certain point. This part is what's not braided up this way. See? Yeah, it's giving. We are going to finish tomorrow. I plan to wake up early so I can try to get it done. I will see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. It is now day 2 of the knotless braid party. You see that? Yeah, y'all see that. And now we finna just get into it. I pre-parted most of my hair yesterday, like I said, so my squares is looking all good, so we can just sit here and just braid. That's kind of the goal for today, is just to get it done before I got work tomorrow. Yeah. So we're gonna start the day off right with the cheese rangoon, and let's get this bitch bussin'. finished. And we are all dipped as well.